North-facing planters can still be stunning if you use the right plants. Here are my favorites. You can start from seed or buy at the nursery. Hi, my name is Andrea and this is Andrea's One Stop Garden. So let's get started. My first favorite I like to start from seed would be Coleus. Coleus has these showy painted leaves that come in a variety of different colors. I like to buy these rainbow mix Coleus colors because you get a variety of different types of painted leaves. These ones I like to use on the back of my planters because they grow to be about 18 inches up to 2 feet. I've had them sometimes grow and they bush out and create a nice backdrop for the flowers that I put in my front. And all these are north facing, so they don't need to have any sun, but if you have a partial shade spot, they will do well in that spot as well. So the next ones I like to put in front of my Coleus as kind of like my middle fillers for the plants. So that would be either begonias or impatiens, depending on the planter look I want. So I like to start wax begonias from seed. These ones I got from a seed trade, but you can get the seeds online. But to start begonias from seed, you do need to start right now. So if you don't have the time or the seeds to start begonias from seed, no problem. You can buy them from the nursery in the springtime as well. Or if you want to get tuberous begonias, which have much larger flowers, you can buy begonia tubers from any nursery store closer to the springtime and start them in the end of March, early April. The next ones would be impatiens. They only grow to be about 10 inches or so in height, but they do have these really pretty flowers on some compact plants that do give it a pop of color for your planters. Lastly, for my north-facing planters, I'd like to start is lobelias because they give my planters that waterfall look. So they flow right over the front of my planter with these small, tiny flowers. So lobelias I typically can find in white, blue, or purple. The purple one being named Crystal Palace, I believe. These ones I got from either Lindenberg Seeds. They have a good variety of lobelias. In the Okanagan, you can also get them from Pacific Northwest, or West Coast Seeds also has some lobelia seeds. So there you have it. Those are my favorite plants that I personally like to use in my north-facing planters. I start from seed, but you can also buy from a nursery or start the begonias from tuber. If this video has helped you and you would like to see more gardening videos like this, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you on the next one. And like always, thank you for watching.